We have completed the theory of chapter 3, business environment. Today we will be doing case studies based on this topic. Now coming to question number 3 from the book of Mahajan sir. Question number 3 is a case study which came in compartment Delhi 2018. With rapid advancements in the field of replacing manual work with machines, a robot named Sujan has been invented and developed and is likely to get the citizenship of the country of its origin. It has led to a stage where machines are being used in the place of human beings. Machines are used in the place of human beings. They have developed a robot. So it is related to technological environment. Sujan is doing all types of work, whether routine or hazardous, and even answering the queries of people. बहुत अच्छा robot है ये. However, this issue has to be carefully looked into, keeping in mind the consumer attitude towards product innovations, problem of unemployment, because the attitude of the people towards this type of innovation is करेगा या नहीं काम करेगा, they have a kind of doubtful attitude. Then problem of unemployment. If robots will be coming and doing the work of the business, then what will happen? We will face the problem of unemployment and its impact on the quality of life. Through the orders and decisions of various commissions and agencies at center, state, or local level, the Indian government is playing a very significant role in balancing the use of human and machine power. Various dimensions of business environment are being discussed in the above para. By quoting the lines from the above, identify and explain any three dimensions. Yes. Now you explain me by quoting the lines from the above, identify and explain any three dimensions. So one dimension, dimensions of business environment. You remember the dimensions of business environment? Dimensions of business environment are economic environment, social environment, and what else? Yes, you explain me. Political environment, legal environment, and technological environment. In this case study, we have developed a robot, and the robot is doing a lot of work. So one is the technological environment coming, and what others are coming? Yes, please answer. Okay, I'm giving the answer. The answer is one is the technological environment. So first what we will be doing is look at the answer. In the answer they have given the marking scheme as well. See at the marking scheme. What they have said in the marking scheme is marks allocation as per CBSE marking scheme. Half mark for identification of each dimension. आपने ठीक से आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया इकोनॉमिक है सोशल है पॉलिटिकल है हाफ मार्क उसका मिलेगा सिर्फ नेम देने का आइडेंटिफिकेशन मीन्स नेम देने के लिए plus half mark for quoting. Quoting is quoting the line from where I have got the answer. Half mark for quoting the line plus 1 mark for explanation. And three dimensions we need to identify by quoting the lines from the above, identify and explain any three dimensions. Right? So it makes a total of 6 marks. 2 per dimension. Right? Now, first dimension which is very clear to us is technological environment. How we will attempt the question? We will write technological environment. Half marks we have got. Half mark we have got for identifying technological environment. And then we will quote the line. From which line we have got to know that it is technological environment? From the first line only. The first line says with rapid advancements in the field of replacing manual work with machines, a robot named Sujan has been invented and developed. And many of the times you people ask me, ma'am, should we write the whole sentence? See how they have done. Quoted lines, inverted comma, single inverted comma, with rapid advancements in the field, dots, and then a robot named Sujan has been invented and developed, inverted comma, close. This way you will be given writing the quote. Half mark again you have got. And now 1 mark for writing the explanation. What explanation you will be writing? Explanation in brief. You will be writing technological environment includes forces relating to scientific improvements and innovations which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new methods and techniques of operating a business, right? In this way, you will be writing the explanation for 1 mark. Then the second dimension which we have found is social environment. How we have found out which quote is there? The quote is given here. The customer's attitude towards product innovations, problems of unemployment, and its impact on the quality of life. This is social environment. This is related to society. कस्टमर का क्या एटीट्यूड होगा प्रोडक्ट की तरफ, इससे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की प्रॉब्लम बढ़ जाएगी या कम हो जाएगी, and its impact on the quality of life, whether our quality of life will improve with the help of machines or not. So from this line, we have got the quote of social environment. And then we will explain the social environment in just one sentence. How we will explain social environment for 1 mark? The social environment of business includes the social forces like customs and traditions, social trends, society's expectations from business, values, and etc. Examples of social environment. This examples if you want to give, but for 1 mark this is enough, right? Then now coming to the third dimension. Third dimension we have given is legal environment, and the quote is through the orders and decisions of various commissions, law has come here. Various commissions and agencies at center, state, or local level, the use the Indian government is playing a very significant role in balancing the use of human and machine power. That these government is coming in between and government is taking part in the decision making. So it is related to law. So it is a legal environment. Dimension is legal environment. What we have given, and then what we will give the meaning of legal environment in just one sentence or for 1 mark, which is explaining the meaning of legal environment. Clear about the case study, how we will be attempting the case study? This case study is clear to you? Shall I move forward? Okay, Akshay has typed yes, ma'am. So now we are going to the next case study. Question number case study 14. MATLAB Networks and Technologies Limited is a leader in technology innovations. Innovation is going on here in the United States, creating products and solutions for connecting the world. It has a large research. Whenever you are attempting the case study, make it a habit that what we do in accounts that we highlight that part or we underline those things. But here in this PDF, I don't know how to use that. So I'm not underlining things. Otherwise, I have a habit of underlining the things. Okay, I have got this pencil. No, it is not. Technology innovations. creating products and solutions for connecting the world. It has a large research and development team they have, which invented the first smartwatch named as W7. The watch, besides showing the time, also monitors a few health parameters like heartbeat, blood pressure, etc. So, what the watch is doing, the watch is also showing the time and it is monitoring the health parameters as well. While in search of markets abroad, the company found that in India, what the company is doing, company is finding markets abroad, that outside the country they are finding market. The company found that in India, the reform process was underway with the aim of accelerating the pace of economic growth. They have found a market in India. The company decided to take advantage of simplified export procedure, that the export procedure and removal of quantitative as well as tariff restrictions in India. It set up its office in Jamnagar with a view to capture the Indian market. In a short span of time, the company emerged as a market leader. Success of the company attracted many other players to enter the market. Competition resulted in reduction in prices. Many other competitors have also come in the smartwatch. Competition resulted in reduction in prices, thereby benefiting the customers. So what they have done is there is a company, MetLab, and that company has come up with an innovation. What is that innovation? They have developed a smartwatch. They have invented a smartwatch. Now you people must be thinking that is smartwatch an innovation? But the question appeared in 2017. So at that time, smartwatch was considered as an innovation. Nowadays, it is very common. I know you people, a lot of you people have smartwatch of Apple and other things. So what that smartwatch is doing, the smartwatch is showing us the time also, and it is monitoring health parameters also like heartbeat, blood pressure, etc. So the company is finding markets abroad, and the company has found the market India, and the company is finding India very feasible to enter. Then many other companies have also started the same business. So understood the main points of the case study. Now what are the questions? In the above paragraph, two major concepts related to government policy have been discussed. Identify and explain these concepts. In the government policy, what are the concepts in the government policy? They are talking about न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी 1991 एंड न्यू इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी. न्यू इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी में हमारा क्या था? एलपीजी मॉडल. एलपीजी, एल स्टैंड्स फॉर लिबरलाइजेशन, जी स्टैंड्स फॉर पी स्टैंड्स फॉर प्राइवेटाइजेशन and G stands for globalization. So what are the two major concepts identified in this? Simplified export procedure, removal of quantitative as well as tariff restrictions in India. What is this? This is liberalization they are talking about. And then the company from outside India is coming into India and doing business over here. They have set up an office in Jamnagar. What is that? That is integration of national economy with the world economy. That is globalization, right? So what we have discussed, the two concepts here are liberalization and globalization. So first answer is liberalization and globalization. And the second part is also explain briefly any three impacts of these concepts on Indian business and industry. Impact also we have discussed. Second last topic of the chapter, impact of industrial policy on business and industry. So look at the answer. Going to the answer, what the answer they have given. Answer is two major concepts discussed in the case study are globalization and liberalization. What you will be writing in the globalization, you will be explaining globalization. Globalization means the integration of our economy with the world economy. It aims at import liberalization, import easily हो जाए, export promotion, promoting the exports and foreign exchange reforms. Globalization involves an increased level of interaction and interdependence among the various nations of the global economy. This way, you will be explaining globalization. That is what is happening in the case study. And then you will be explaining liberalization. Liberalization means freeing the Indian business and industry from all unnecessary controls and restrictions. Liberalization of the Indian economy has taken place with respect to simplifying procedures for imports and exports, and making it easier to attract foreign capital and technology to India. This way, you will be explaining liberalization. And then in the second part of the question, they have asked also explain briefly any three impacts of these concepts on Indian business and industry. We have studied a lot of points in this. The first point which we have studied is increasing competition. ग्लोबलाइजेशन की वजह से अगर बाहर की कंपनीज भी इंडिया में आ जाएंगी डेफिनेटली इट विल इंक्रीज कंपटीशन so we will write increasing competition due to abolition of licensing requirements and entry of MNCs. Competition for Indian firms has increased, especially in service industries like telecommunications, airlines, banking, insurance, etc. Then the second point is more demanding customers. कस्टमर्स के पास जितने ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस हो जाएंगे कस्टमर्स उतने ज़्यादा डिमांडिंग हो जाएंगे. आज कस्टमर के पास अगर फ़ोन परचेज करना है तो कस्टमर्स के पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. कस्टमर कैन परचेज अ फोन ऑफ एप्पल and in Apple also there are a lot of varieties and the customer can purchase the phone of Samsung, and in Samsung also there are a lot of varieties, so the customer has become more demanding. I want this feature, I don't want this feature. So, customer has become more demanding not only in respect to mobile phones but in respect to all the products. I am explaining about mobile phones because youngsters like you are now much aware about mobile phones and they consider mobile phones as their companion. Now, the explanation which you will be writing in more demanding customers is customers have become more demanding because they are very well informed. Increased competition in the market gives the customers wider choice in purchasing better quality of products and services. Right? And then the third point is rapidly changing environment. Rapidly changing technological environment. The environment is changing a lot because of this LPG model. Because of liberalization, globalization, and privatization, our environment has changed rapidly, especially the technological environment. So, what we will be writing in the explanation, the rapidly changing technological environment creates tough challenges. Here, instead of writing rapidly changing environment, you write rapidly changing technological environment. Okay, because I am giving you the explanation of technological environment only. The rapidly changing technological environment creates tough challenges before small firms. Increased competition forces the business managers to develop new technologies, for example, use of internet, multimedia pages for advertisement to survive and grow in the market. Right? So, this case study is also clear to everyone. Now I am going to the next case study in which examples are given, and from examples you will be identifying the dimension of business environment and you people will be giving answers. Now in the next two case studies I won't be giving the answer. All are awake or sleeping? सो गए हैं सब. Akshay has typed yes, ma'am. Yes for what? Sleeping. Akshay has typed both the answers. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sanvi has typed awake. Okay. Sanvi is awake. So today I am asking the first question from Sanvi only. The court passed an order. Okay, Akshay. Question number 19. The court passed an order that all schools must have water purifier for the school children. कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर पास किया सारे स्कूल्स में वाटर प्यूरिफायर होना ही चाहिए, मस्ट हैव. विच डायमेंशन इट इज? इकोनॉमिक, सोशल, पॉलिटिकल, लीगल, टेक्नोलॉजिकल. विच डायमेंशन इट इज? यस सानवी, यू गिव मी द आंसर. It has this question has appeared in 2013. Raise your hands who can give the answer. Akshay, can you give the answer? Kushi Sharma has typed the answer, legal environment. Yes, anyone wants to give the answer? Please speak. Okay, Khushi has typed the answer, legal environment, right? So let us look at the second question. I'm not telling you the answers right now. I'm not showing you the answers. Second is, the society in general is more concerned about the quality of life. Yes, what will be the answer? Which dimension it is? Kaveri has typed an answer, social
Social.
environment. Okay, okay. Let us see the answers at the end. You can speak. I will find it good if you will be speaking. Third is, innovative techniques are being developed to manufacture water purifier at competitive rates. What will be the answer? Sahil,
Technological.
okay, Sahil and Kaveri and some other students also have typed the answer, technological. Very good. Now, fourth is, incomes are rising and children at home are also drinking purified water. Okay, so three students have typed the answer, economic. Very good, economic environment. Fifth is, the government is also showing positive attitude towards the water purifier business. Identify the different dimensions of business environment by quoting the lines from the above details. Fifth, the government is also showing positive attitude. Yes, Vanshika has typed the answer, political. Okay, so all the answers are correct. I'm showing you the answers. All the answers are correct. Sanvi has also typed the right answer. Court has passed an order, legal. Society in general is more concerned, social. Innovative techniques are being developed, technological. Incomes are rising, economic. And the government is showing a positive attitude, that is political. Very good. Now the question number 20 is also a similar question. It has also appeared in Delhi 2013, and sometimes what happens is that in one set A, they give this question, and in the set B, they give a similar question like question number 20. So the set can have similar question. The numbers, the sequence number can be up and down a little different, and the question can be similar. So now looking at this question number 20, other students also speak in the class like Kushbu and Tanvi and Ravneet, Rohan, Lakshya Soni. आप लोग भी आंसर दो क्लास में. Question number 20. The court passed an order to ban polythene bags, as these bags are creating many environmental problems which affect the life of people in general. Which dimension it will be? Vanshika, social. Vanshika has typed social, Akshay has typed legal, Kaveri has typed legal. The answer will be legal. Harshal has typed legal, yes. Answer will be legal, Vanshika. It will not be social. It seems social, but when court is entering here, court आ गया यहाँ पे, कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर पास कर दिया तो वो लॉ के अंडर आ गया. लॉ के अंडर आ गया तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, लीगल हो जाएगा। ठीक है, क्लियर अबाउट इट? Vanshika, now clear? It will not be social, it will be legal. Okay. Second is the society in general is more concerned about the quality of life. Yes, all the students have typed the answer social, it is correct. Third is the government decided to give subsidy to jute industry to promote this business. Political. Everyone has typed political. Fourth is innovative techniques are being developed to manufacture jute bags at low rates. Okay, so all the students have typed the answer technological. Very good. Last is incomes are rising and people can afford to buy these bags. Okay, Swapnil, very good. Even Swapnil has given the answer economic. I'm feeling very happy that Swapnil has um, participated in the class. Very good. So the answers are first is legal. Court has passed an order to ban polythene bags as these bags are creating environmental problems which affect the life of people in general. The society in general is more concerned about the quality of life, social. The government decided to give subsidy to jute industry, political, innovative techniques, technological, incomes are rising, that is economic environment. So all the dimensions you have understood how to identify the dimensions. These 5 dimensions will be coming in the paper.